So I just spent about 5 grand on all of this wood, along with some insulation, to expand my dream home. The place I live is pretty small and modest, but it does the job. However, I have some lofty plans to expand it. So I drew up some plans, and I was very fortunate to be able to acquire these massive windows from my parents, who had them sitting in the back of a shed rotting somewhere, so we'll be using those in our design. Damn, they stacked the firewood pretty neatly here. Now, just at the back of the cottage that I live in, there's this large flat roof, and my plan is to strip out that roof and build up my extension area. Well, first we gotta clean it and sweep off all these dead leaves and, frighten the sheep. So that's that done just there. Well, now we gotta rip out all these bloody nails that were hammered in to put the roof in there in the first place. So we gotta grab that hammer and a wood support, tap the hammer under it, and then yank the screw out, or the nail it is in fact, and toss it in the bucket with many others. So after painstakingly ripping out enough nails, we can finally start peeling off the dirty old sheets, gliding them out, and chucking them in a heap. Now for the rest of them. And now it's time to bring the loader over. Just gotta be very careful while we're working here. We don't fall through this thin membrane that's left. And let's chuck each of these sheets up and onto the forks just there. With that done, we gotta grab a few more tools. Reason being that somebody decided to use screws here instead of the usual nails. Additionally, to clear some room, we gotta unfortunately chop down some tree branches. We clear all of this. Enter one of the many tool sheds we have, and grab the screwdriver along with the saw. On our way back, we can meet our lovely dog, Colleen. So let's get rid of some of these branches. Cut them down with this still very nicely sharp saw and plonk. And for now, just toss them off the shed. Hopefully there's no sheep down there. Yes, they all cleared out by now. So that's it, pretty nice and clear. Just chuck this last one branch down. We will clear that mess up later. So that's what it's currently looking like. We still have more than half the roof to clear out. So yeah, it's back to the painful job of removing these nails. And that collection has definitely grown. And ooh, look at this little spider. Hopefully the camera can focus. Off, he's gone. Let's make sure he's out of harm's way. These spiders I do find a lot more cute than the long, lanky ones. Sorry to any of you who are scared of spiders, but I like these little ones. Let's let him go just here. Back to getting rid of more nails. We nearly have them all out by now. That's the last nail, nice and easy. And well, it's on to pulling out these sheets. And we can toss them onto the pile with the rest of them. And now I'm wondering, do I really have to get rid of those last 2 rusty sheets? I probably do. But let's get a measuring tape and greet Colleen as we go by. So we got the measuring tape, and now the precarious walk across the roof. And since my floor is going to be 6 meters, well, yeah, I'm going to have to remove those 2 sheets. Damn it. So we got to remove a few more of these bloody nails. And yeah, fortunately, we did bring the drill, so we can get rid of this sneaky little bugger. Damn, that's a long screw. And yeah, the bucket's sure got a lot of nails at this point. So this time for real, the last nail. And we can chuck our tools over on the other adjacent roof there, along with the hefty bucket of nails. And well, we're not gonna have much roof left to stand on, and we gotta grab these sheets off. And of course, add them to the rest of the rust pile. With that, we find a spot to put the sheets. They are rusty, but still usable. So let's move the sheets out of here. We hop in the loader, start her up, retract the boom, try not wreck the roof in the process, and now try not knock down the wall behind us there as we reverse out of here. I did have many years of practice driving this thing, but not without its accidents. Safely reversed back onto the road, and it's pretty straightforward from here. Bring the sheets to their destination, lower them down, and drop them off. And that's that. Easy bit of driving. May as well grab this tarp to go and chuck over the sheets, as there's no need for them getting soaked in the rain when they don't have to. And I might very well use them on my roof later on when we finish, but I might give them a sanding or a paint before doing so. Before we do anything else, we better clear this out so the sheep can actually get past to their shed. We'll just haul them out of here and dump them in a pile just there, and that's all of them, with a clear path again. The following day, we got all of the wood delivered, including the plywood boards and the plaster boards. This place is going to be massive. Yeah, I needed like 40 of those plaster boards. And cute Colleen's resting in the corner. Now to put everything together, we got a 20-kilo box of these round wire nails. And of course, some more expensive screws just in the more vital areas to make sure everything is held together. And that was pretty much it for the day. I went then to plan out exactly where the floor is going and make sure I can get the alignment so that the whole thing is level. And ultimately we went from this to this. Not a bad day's work in my opinion. Now many of you will know me from the content I make for the game Neverwinter, and this video has definitely been something different. And potentially I'll go forward with more content like this. I'm very well intending to make this a full series and ultimately make a capstone video summing everything up with my project with regards to my cottage expansion. In some ways you could say I have a very fortunate childhood and learned a lot of practical skills outside of gaming on a computer. So I do have a lot of things I could share with you guys on that real life DIY practical skills sector. Now you may have noticed, yes, I do need a better camera, and I hopefully can find one sooner than late. But I would like some recommendations, and otherwise you can absolutely support me like these wonderful channel members, and that will help that little bit to help me be more motivated to make better content moving forward. So if you've made it this far, I'd like to give you a special thank you. And if you could leave a like and subscribe if you're new around here, that would be great. Otherwise, let me know what you think of this type of content and if you'd like to see more. So again, we'll see you guys around. Goodbye for now.